Add emotes to Twitch. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to add emotes to Twitch. So to add emotes to Twitch, first make sure that you have a qualified as a partner or affiliated streamers, which means you need to be a subscriber. So to begin with, open up your application or browser and type in twitch.tv.com. Log in into your account and that's gonna directly take you to the dashboard session. So what next you need to do is when you're logged in, then go to your profile from the top right inside corner, go to creators dashboard. While you're on the creators dashboard, it's gonna direct you to this field, which is gonna look something like this. Here you need to go ahead and click on. Once you click on it, you should be able to find this section as monetization. If you're unable to find this, you will go also with the view reward section, go to rewards, then you can find emotes. So as you can see, I don't have an emotes, which means that I do not meet the qualification or I'm not affiliated as a streamer. So you could just go ahead and locate the emotes right over here and then go ahead and press on subscribers emote and click the plus icon on your chosen tier to upload the emotes file. So you could just follow the prompt that will be mentioned in the screen itself. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.